Yo, look at this little. Hey, listen up, kids. Hey, so we not listening, huh? So we not listening, huh? All right, so this is day 3 of Keeping Up with the Caesars episode, and my sister's in town.
Hello, people.
Came to hang out and help out. I got some work I gotta do today, so they are going like we already set it up, a little barricade, you know, cause I know he's gonna try to pull a fast one on my sister, so yeah.
Yes, look at him go.
Look at him just running around like, yo, wish them luck, wish her luck. Anyway, I got a few things I gotta do today, and then today's typically my day off, but a couple of meetings. Also gonna get my her did, and yeah, come back, cook up a storm. We gonna chef it up in here. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We are back from the meeting, and your boy just finished getting his hair did. Peep the wrap around. Shout out to my homegirl Capri, hooked it up. Now just woke up from a nap, and it is time for your boy to be a dad. Quick follow-up update. August is in bed, but tonight was a little bit rougher than usual. I don't know what got into that kid, but he was vicious. Anyway, you're just winding down now, uploading another video, because you know your boy gotta keep on schedule. And yo, what's going on in the world today, man? Yo, Robert Kraft, R. Kelly, Jesse. Like, I cannot turn on my computer without seeing these names behind some scandal. Now, I'm not one to like talk about people's affairs and whatnot, but dang, like I often ask myself, like, if I was like successful, or like to the extent that these guys are, like R. Kelly, world-renowned musician, Robert Kraft, like brilliant owner, and well, Jesse is just an actor, but beginning his career. I always often ask myself, like, yo, would I be doing some dumb shit to get caught like that? Because like I am not no like quiet boy myself. Like I would probably be into some shit, not the same amount of shit that these guys are in, but dang, like there's more to come, and they're saying like there's more names to drop with this like sex trafficking case. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that, because I'm still like, my mind still can't wrap my head around it. Anyway, yeah, so August is down for the count. My sister's here, as you saw, helping her brother out. Now I just gotta finish wrapping up some client stuff. It just seems like things are just popping up that aren't completed. So either I gotta figure some things out, because I want to just finish all these jobs so I can make room for more. Anyways, I'm not going to keep this video that long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and holla.